What's going on, guys? My name is Vaughn. Welcome to my channel. This is going to be the first episode for my LS swapped E46 build series. In today's video, I just want to talk about where the car is now, what parts I have, and then what my plans and goals are for it. So the car I'm swapping is a 2000 323 Ci. It was in really rough shape when I got it. If I have a picture, I will try to put it in a little clip of it so you can see what it looked like when I first got it. And then this is what it looks like now. If you remember the picture earlier, it was unpainted, primer, Bondo everywhere, no windows. Got all the windows installed. Originally I painted this white. Didn't like how it turned out, so went over it with this green. Not sure how I feel about it still. I do have some wrap. It's like a gloss black metallic that I might go over this with. Not sure yet, still on the fence. I don't even know if I have enough. Here's the engine bay. Got the original engine and trans out, sold it. There's one of the mounts that I was test fitting. So the plan is to delete the ABS system, get all new brake lines in the front there, and then run a inline hydro into the cabin and then out the back. Have the stock BMW power steering pump there that I will try to fit onto the 5.3. And overall, this is ready to go. It just needs cleaned up. Get some things out of here and then figure out the wiring setup. But she's ready for a new heart. So the plans for the car is a low budget drift build that I can drive to the track. It's about 3 hours each way. So I wanted something reliable. And since it was just the 323, it had a like 160 horsepower 6-cylinder in it. So even with the stock 5.3 that I'm putting in is a pretty good upgrade. Excuse my mess of a garage, but this is the 5.3 that's going in. I just have an LS1 intake manifold for it. I've got parts all over. So I got this retrofit pan from Poor Man's Motorsports. It's made by TSP. I will link the part number in the description. This is a replica of the Holley 302-1, and it's just cast aluminum, so I figured I'd save some money on this. I bought the baffle kit extra, which is nice since this is going to be a drift car. You're going to see some G's, and LS engines are prone to oil starvation, so that's going to help a lot. So for the transmission, I am going with an AR5, and I found this company after a recommendation on the BMW LS Swap group on Facebook. I really recommend you join there, but be sure to search before you ask any questions, because your questions probably been answered before. So originally I got the kit from FabBot, which was nice that you don't have to modify the bell housing, but it was about $200 more than this kit was. I still have their remote bleeder because this company didn't offer this. But this is super nice. It has instructions with all the bolts. These are actually full-sized, so you can compare what bolts you have in your set here. Came with stickers and even thread locker, which I was really surprised. Nice finish on it. So the plan is to get this in there running by spring. so I can drift with some friends at the beginning of the season. Next video, I'm gonna install the oil pan that I got. It's probably gonna be a short video because it doesn't take much to install the oil pan. If you like this video, go ahead and drop a like for me and subscribe if you wanna see more, and hit the bell if you wanna get notifications on when I make new uploads. I'm gonna try to upload once a week, so hopefully this thing gets done in a timely manner. Thanks for watching. See you guys.